Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a blog in Shopify, and it will be a breakdown step by step process. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, you need to understand why a blog is important for a Shopify store. First of all, the boost SEO, like it helps your store rank higher on Google and attract organic traffic. Second, drive sales, educate customer and naturally promotes your products and build trust, shows your expertise and build credibility with your audience. Fourth, supports marketing, provides content for social media and email campaigns. And five, increase engagement, like keep visitors on your site longer and improve product discovery. And last, delivers long-term value, like blog posts keep working for you long after they publish. So a blog is a smart low-cost way to grow your Shopify business in 2025. So that's reason blog is necessary for your business. But in here you need to be create a blog. We are going to make sure that we will take a help from ChatGPT. So here I'm going to search ChatGPT, and I already set up my whole Shopify store process. Here you can see this is our Shopify store, but we don't have any blog over that place. We have only one product and we don't have any blog. So I'm going to upload a blog, and I will make a navigation over here with the name of blog so people or customer can easily access that page. So let's go to the ChatGPT and open ChatGPT for my help, and then I ask them to give me a blog article on mini boya, and let's start. And as you can see, they are providing us a blog over that place. I am going to apply it here. So first of all, if you want to create a blog on your Shopify store, that for reason you just need to find out the content section. Where is the content section? You will find out in here. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you will have a couple of options that's called meta object, files, menus, blog post. So here you just need to be click on blog post. So write a blog post over here. Blog posts are a great way to build a community around your products and your brand. So this call us the Shopify. So here I will just click on create blog, and here I think our blog has been done. So I will copy this name, it means the title. I will paste it here, and then I will copy this whole article from that place. Just copy it, Ctrl C, and I am going to paste it here. Now you can see this is the content over that place. So if you want to add any image, you are allowed to add it here. Let's do it, add some image that place. So I'm going to click on add image, and here I can see we have an image that's called boya, and done. And now you can see we are allowed to upload it in our website. So here I'm going to check out the visibility. Always make sure your visibility will be visible. Then you can see this is our blog under the news, and here you are allowed to add some tags, like it will helpful for SEO, or you can leave it blank, whatever you want. After completing this, you just need to click on save. Once you click over here, it will take a time to publish. So here you can see discover my mini has been perfectly uploaded. Just visit blog post again, and here you can see the visibility is visible. Author is my store admin, blog type news, updated just now, and publish time. And here I am going to click on this view blog post I button. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now you can see this is our blog post. But there is some drawback that we are not, or our customer are not allowed to access it from the home page. This is the main drawback or obstacle I can say. I already published, but no one recognized that I published a blog, and they are not allowed to read it properly. So how they can find it? So that for reason I am going to make a blog page over that place. Just visit on the online store, and here page just click over here, and that here, just click on add page. Once you click over here, they will give you option for create and page over that page. This is similar like blog post, so I'm going to make it blog, and then I will publish it. Click on save. Once I click it save, it already saved. So let's view it. Just visit on the page and click over here, and now I will click on customize theme. Once I click over here, then we have some element here. I want to upload it or add it here. Just click here into the template, into the page. I'm going to click on add section, and here I will search for blog. So you can see we have these elements called blog post. Just click over here, add it here. Now here is the result. Eventually you can see our blog post has been added to our blog page. So let's save it, and then let's preview it. Is it really working or not? Sometimes you can check it, is it responsible or not. It's totally up to you. So let's view it. Just click over here, quick sidekick, open sidekick. Okay, find it out. So let's view it. So here is the option to view it. So if there is not, then I will refresh it, and here you can see we have some blog post over that place. So I just will visit that place content again, and then go to the blog post, and I will make sure that our blog post will be published perfectly. So here you can see I will redirect it to this page. So for a reason I will click over here, and in here I'm going to create a new blog. Blog title will be blog, and tag, there is no tags, default blog post. Yes, save. And now our page will be perfectly created. So let's visit onto the blog post again and click on blog, and now you can see our blog page is perfectly working over that place. If you click this one, then it will redirect further more. So how easy the process was. So now I am going to make my menus as it is. So I am going to click on main menu, and here I will add a menu called blog, and then copy this page link, and it will be pasted in here. And now you can see that will be provided the suggestion, and I am going to click on tick and then click on set. Once I click over here, menu has been updated. Let's go onto the home and let's see it. As a result, you can see our blog post has been perfectly implemented. So if you want to customize it, you are allowed to do it. So now you can see this is our blog post. If you want to add or anything you want to do it, you are allowed to do it. You can change it as a grid, it looks nice. You can change the height, adapt to image, or you can make it simple, like whatever you want you do it. Then you can give a padding bottom or up, and you can change the theme setting also, or you can add custom CSS over that place. It's totally up to you how you want the design. Just I give you the essential need or essential step to you, and once you save it, your blog page has been perfectly saved. So let's visit it, and let's go over here and let's click on visit, and now you can see that is our blog page. And if I click over here, if I go deep down, then this is our design. If you want to, like, you can customize this design also. Let's go to customize design, and then you will get the option for customized design. Just click over here, select this feature image and add up. I will make it small, or I will make it medium. This may be good, and then I will click on save. And also I can edit the blog post option. Just click over here, theme setting, page width. You can add custom CSS like similarly the default one. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to share with your friends. And if you have any question related to this video, then ask me on the comment box. I will make a new video on those questions and give you the information. So till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.